weather impacts and head over to meteorologist Brittany Van Voorhees. So seemingly we're getting into the clear now. These storms are long gone, but we will have some rain this weekend.
Yeah, it's certainly not going to be as big of an impact, Vanessa, as we know that a lot of the heavy rain did cause some trees and power lines to go down. That will not be the case, though, with this rain that we do see overnight. We're already seeing a few areas of showers moving in. Again, this is as expected. This is that last big push with this particular system before we're drying out by Saturday afternoon. And then Sunday actually looks pretty good. I'm keeping 20% in because we are increasing the humidity and the warmth, but overall it's going to be a pretty small impact. You can actually see this here with our low end risk for Saturday when it comes to excessive rainfall. This is going to be, again, very, very low. In fact, really the main risk here, why we're under even a green in general, is the fact that the rain does cause kind of a delayed response when it comes to streams, creeks, lakes, rivers, things like that. Oftentimes those waterways take a little bit of time to start to increase. So we could see some minor flooding there. If you know you're prone to it, make sure to keep a close eye on it. But really the additional rainfall potential is going to be relatively minimal. I actually think this model is way overdoing it when it comes to additional rainfall. We're probably lucky if we get about 1/2 of an inch across most of the area. But yes, there will be more on the way. Here's a look at Doppler radar right now. You can see those areas of light rain. Again, all of this is light. All of this is light across the Carolinas. Areas you can see of light rain on the northern side there of Ashe County. We have Watauga County, a few little sprinkles there near App State. And then for Burke and Caldwell, you can see these tiny little areas of green. A lot of this is not only light rain, but areas of drizzle, which essentially drizzle is a raindrop that's about 1/4 the size of a regular one. So it's the type that barely coats the windshield. It's not even enough for you to put your wipers on and actually have it work without, getting that rubber sound, because there's not enough water, right, for them to work efficiently. That's essentially what we're talking about, at least as of right now. Light rain too, you can see in Gaston County and Lincoln County, and a little bit of light rain too on the eastern side of Union and moving into Anson. Again, all of this is light rain now, but we will see a few more areas of heavy rain heading into early tomorrow morning. This starting, you can see here, around 5 o'clock for the metro, but earlier than that for the mountains. Again, a few pockets of heavy rain at times, certainly going to be a possibility, but almost all of this happens in the morning. Here's 9 o'clock. As we approach lunchtime, conditions are drying out, even a few little peaks of sunshine. Notice the timing here around 1 o'clock. And then we are mostly dry for Saturday evening. And then Sunday looking relatively dry too. These little spritz of green are why I did keep in that 20% chance of rain. But notice, again, it's very, very minimal overall, with a few storms possible late Sunday night and into Monday. So again, not a huge impact really for the rest of your weekend. Now, in terms of heat, this will impact us by the early and middle part of next week. Temperatures are soaring to about the mid-90s once again, thankfully only lasting about a day before we do have another cold front rolling through. That'll put us in a more normal weather pattern by the end of next week. So in the near term, the biggest change that we do have is temperatures starting to reach the low to mid 80s. Today we were only in the 70s. Again, sunshine returning by the afternoon on Saturday. We're mostly dry on Sunday, keeping that trend going Monday. Tuesday, probably your best chance for heat and humidity to see heat index values getting close to, if not surpassing 100 degrees. Few storms in the afternoon and evening. And then we're really leveling out by this time next week, which will make for a decent end to July. It's kind of hard to believe, but a week plus a day from now, Vanessa, will be August 1st.
Oh, get the Halloween decorations
ready.
Let's
go. I'm ready for it.
I know. It'll be here before we know it, folks.